Becoming a cloud solution architect requires a combination of technical skills, business acumen, and soft skills. Here are some prerequisites to become a successful cloud solutions architect. Number one, strong foundation in cloud computing. A cloud solution architect should have a solid understanding of cloud computing concepts, including virtualization, networking, security, and automation. They should be familiar with cloud service models such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Number two, experience with cloud platforms. A cloud solution architect should have hands-on experience with at least one major cloud platform such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. They should be able to design and deploy solutions to any platform using various cloud services and tools. Third one, knowledge of application architecture. A cloud solution architect should have a good understanding of application architecture, including microservices, containers, and serverless computing. They should be able to design scalable and resilient applications that can run on cloud platforms. Number four is business acumen. A cloud solution architect should be able to align technology solutions with the business objectives. They should be able to understand the customer's business needs, identify opportunities for improvement, and recommend appropriate solutions. Fifth one, which is very important, is communication skills. A cloud solution architect should have excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. They should be able to explain technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders and collaborate effectively with cross-functional teams. The last one, continuous learning. A cloud solution architect should be a lifelong learner. Keeping up with the latest trends and technologies in cloud computing is his priority. They should be willing to continuously improve their skills and knowledge and seek out new challenges and opportunities. To summarize, becoming a cloud solution architect requires a combination of technical skills and business acumen. By building a strong foundation in cloud computing, gaining hands-on experience with cloud platform, and developing strong communication and collaboration skills, you can become a successful cloud solution architect. I wish all of the new folks who are entering into cloud solution architect a very best, right? So that's it I had for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.